What's going on, everybody? How you doing? I hope that you're watching this and it's on Sunday night and that you have had the most awesome winter vacation that you've ever had, but that you're really excited to get back to school tomorrow and get going with some math. Well, we're going to be starting Chapter 8, and Chapter 8, we're going to be breaking Chapter 8 into a couple parts. And the first half is going to be taking fractions kind of like you see on the screen right now. We're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions that kind of look like that. That might be an extreme looking example for adding or subtracting, but that wouldn't be out of the question for a multiplying or dividing problem. Anyway, all we're going to do today is simplify a ton of fractions using factoring. And we have some fun worksheets that we're going to do in class. This one is called Books Never Written, and then the other one is called, it's a joke. What do you call an alligator that sneaks up and bites you from behind? An alligator, obviously. Anyway, in order to solve these problems, you're going to need to be able to solve problems like this one, and we just got to simplify this fraction using factoring. Here we go. I kind of see this as two separate problems. I see that all this stuff that's going on, and I see all this stuff that's going on. So I'm going to kind of treat these like they're two separate problems for a little bit, and do a big division bar. 8 and 6. 2 divides out of both of those, so it would become 4 and 3. The x's, I always ask myself with these problems, are there more x's up top or down below? There's more up top. How many more up top? 5. Same thing with the m's. There are more m's below. How many more m's? 7 of them. Alright, so that's simplifying this stuff. Now I need to simplify this stuff using factoring. This first one, what multiplies to negative 15 yet adds up to negative 2? Negative 5 and positive 3. So x minus 5 and x plus 3. Now this one, I noticed that 4x squared and 100 both have a 4 in common. So I'm going to do a little side work here. 4x squared minus 100, they both have a 4 in common, and if I factor the 4 out, I get x squared minus 25. And then, ooh, that's a difference of 2 squares. So I have 4 times x plus 5 times x minus 5. And now you look through and see, well, what would cancel out? Well, I have x minus 5's on the numerator and denominator. And I also have these 4 multiplying by 4, and this 4, they both cancel out. And what I'd be left with at the end is x to the 5 divided by 3m to the 7 times x plus 5. And it's not a pretty looking answer, but we've simplified it, and we've simplified it as much as we can. And that's the only example I have for you today, everybody. If you were able to do this problem and it made sense, every single problem that's on this worksheet, these 2 worksheets, work out very similarly to that. So anyway, let's go and get practicing on that. Have a great day. If you're watching this on Sunday night, I'll see you tomorrow morning. And if you're watching this on Monday, you can just speak up and just give me a head nod right now. All right, see you later, everybody. Bye-bye.